How to automatically restart Android phone. So first, I'm going to go back to the home screen, and this is my Samsung Android phone. So we're going to swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, you want to scroll down and tap on device care. Now scroll down and tap on auto optimization. Next, we scroll down and tap on auto restart. Okay, so tap on auto restart. Here you can also choose restart when needed, or you can set a schedule. So we start on schedule. So make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn on. Here, select the days that you want to apply the auto restart. You can select all of them every single day or every second day. So that's up to you. All right, so after that, we set a time. So set when you want the restart to happen. So I can restart it at 2 a.m. on each day. So tap on done. And that is pretty much it. Quite straightforward. Set the date, the day, and the time. And your phone will now automatically restart at that scheduled time. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, if you are using other Android phones such as Xiaomi, Oppo, or Vivo, they are a little bit different. So the features are often hidden under additional settings or system. So when you go into the settings menu, try to look for additional settings or system, or you can use the search button and then search for auto restart. And that's it. So every Android phone have a different menu. This is on the Samsung phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.